Tired of looking in the mirror and seeing your dull-looking or yellowed teeth? Ever feel self-conscious about your teeth's appearance and hesitant to smile? While celebrities and models may sport pearly white teeth, the smiles of most people are a tad duller. But this shouldn't be too surprising. Many things can affect the color of your teeth and turn them that dreaded yellow hue, which makes some people feel self-conscious about their appearance and hesitant to smile. But now there has emerged a unique and cost-effective application that's brightened the smiles of thousands of satisfied customers. Introducing Idle White Teeth Whitening Pens. Idle White's unique teeth whitening system is a unique blend of natural teeth whitening ingredients that brings out the natural white shade in your teeth, allowing you to get a whiter and brighter smile without the hassles or costs of most teeth whitening systems. Its unique two-step process releases free oxygen to oxidize and lift organic stains for noticeably whiter and brighter teeth after only one use. The Idle White system can deliver whitening results similar to those you'll get when you pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars at the dentist. Now, you no longer have to go spend hours of your life and hurt your bank account to get that whiter and brighter smile just like your favorite celebrities. The Idle White 3 Easy Steps for Brighter Teeth. Step 1. Dry teeth. Rotate bottom of click pen to dispense gel from opposite end. Step 2. Apply gel directly onto teeth. Avoid lips from contacting teeth for 30 to 60 seconds. Step 3. Rinse after 15 minutes. Do not eat or drink for 1 hour. The Idle White pen is easy to apply, polishes while whitening, producing professional results at your home. It's past time to get the smile you have always dreamed of. Click the link in the description below to claim your risk-free offer.